Want Discord to keep running in the background on Android? Here are quick steps. Open Settings and tap Apps or App Management to see installed apps. Tip: use Search. Scroll or search and select Discord from the app list. Tip: long press for shortcut. Tap Permissions and allow microphone and notifications. Tip: grant while app is open. Go back and open battery or battery optimization settings for Discord. Tip: look for Optimize. Choose Don't Optimize or allow background activity to exempt Discord from sleep. Tip: confirm changes. Enable background activity or allow background usage toggle for Discord. Tip: permit over mobile data. Set notifications to high importance so messages and calls reach you reliably. Tip: enable sound and pop-ups. If available, enable auto start or lock Discord in recent apps. Tip: prevents system closing it. Test by switching apps or locking the screen, then returning to Discord. Tip: check voice channels. Quick tip: disable system battery saver and restart your phone to apply settings fully. Done. Discord should now run in background. Subscribe for more Android tips.